Hello everyone, my name is Constantine. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how Alex and I restore one of our trucks after a small accident. It happened in South Carolina. Truck was severely damaged and not operable. Since it was only less than 100 miles from our shop and we have a fifth wheel towing attachment, we decided to tow it by ourselves. What happened? According to the driver, the wheel from another truck or car struck our truck at the top side of the hood. It damaged hood itself. Front part of the engine, AC condenser, charge cooler, radiator, some part of the intake manifold, EGR pipe, radiator brackets were damaged as well and destroyed. Fan and AC lines were bended and not reusable. Valve cover had small crack, but we were able to glue it with epoxy. There was no visual damage to the engine or frame, which is good. The whole process for restoration took 3 weeks since we brought truck to the yard. The reason it took so long is because of the insurance process. We filed claim for damage and insurance had to send estimator and then approve all the repairs cost later. Communication with estimator and insurance was good, so they allowed us to restore truck at our facility and paid us all cost of the parts and restoration. To save some money, we were able to purchase some parts from a local junkyard, and the critical parts like radiator, AC condenser and charge cooler we purchased it directly from the dealer. The whole restoration was smooth except dealer's mistake. They sold us the wrong radiator, so we had to reinstall it twice. What about hood, you probably will ask. Actually, I keep spare hood on my yard in case this kind of situation happen. All I did, I let local painting shop paint it to the color I needed and put it back on truck. By the way, I was able to restore damaged hood at the body shop. Other than that, no problems in the process. Unfortunately, no one protected from this kind of situation and no one knows what can happen on the road. What happened to my truck, similar to the situation when crazy deer jump in front of the truck from nowhere and hit the truck. After all, you have to deal with all those damages, repairs and expenses. I think everyone with basic mechanic experience can do this kind of repair by themselves. The only difficult part to do is holding hood. It is heavy and even 2 people is hard to hold it. So it will require a forklift or few people to help. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. It will help us to grow and motivate make more videos for DIYers. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, or if you have question, leave it in comment section below. Thanks again. See you next time.